How to check screen time in Samsung Galaxy Ultra phones or any other Android phone. So I'll tell you the best way to check the screen time. Just go to the settings and there you will have a search mark. Click on that search and type screen space time, and then you will find digital well-being and under parental controls screen time goal, and once we click on that you will find how much time it has you have spent in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you can check the data wise. All right, so you can also check driving monitor, walking monitor, volume monitor. So in under digital well-being, you can see the screen time of your Samsung Galaxy or any other Android phone. All right. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.